Hey guys, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to text people or send them messages on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have TikTok open here. I'll show you a couple of different options on how you can message people. But the first thing that you'll want to do is tap on the little me icon on the bottom right here, and then the three dots at the top right. And then you'll want to tap on privacy here. And then if you scroll down a bit under safety, you can see who can send you direct messages, and you want to make sure that's not set to no. 1. It's either set to friends or everyone. And then if you go back, I'll show you how to send messages. Let's just go home here. Say I want to send this person a message, I can just swipe to the left, and you can see that I don't see a message icon here. But if I follow them, then all of a sudden the message button appears, and I can send them a message like that. However, if I send the messages, it gives me a little error here. Messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So that's another key aspect, is that depending on how they have their messages set, if they have their messages set to everyone in the setting that we just went to, then anyone can send them messages. However, if it's just set to friends or no one, if it's set to friends, then they have to follow you as well. So you can only send messages on TikTok if the other person has their setting that anybody can send the messages, or you both have to follow each other. You have to follow them, and they have to follow you. So that's kind of a limitation in how you can send messages. Another thing to just keep in mind is that if you're sick under 16 years old, you cannot send messages on TikTok. That's kind of against their terms, and just wanting to make sure that people younger than 16 are not able to kind of send messages and receive messages from strangers. So that's it. That's how you send messages or texts on TikTok pretty quick and easy. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.